The East African region has vast reserves of oil and natural gas, which it could tap to boost its economic growth. The reserves include at least 3 trillion cubic meters of natural gas and 2.5 billion barrels of oil. A regional conference on petroleum, which kicked off in the Ugandan capital, Kampala, on Wednesday, emphasized the need for the region to tap its vast hydrocarbons. President Yoweri Museveni of Uganda revealed this while opening the 5th East African Petroleum Conference and exhibition. He said that a joint exploration and development of the energy resources can also attract investments to the region. Without energy, the East African community cannot achieve its goals of economic, social and political integration with the aim of creating wealth and enhancing competitiveness, production, trade and investment, he said. Moving on, the total value of oil and gas transactions announced globally reached $270 billion in 2010, according to Ernst & Young's Global Oil and Gas Transactions Review 2010. This is 35% higher than the total for the previous year of $200 billion. In aggregate, 947 deals were announced in the 2010, with upstream continuing to dominate the landscape, accounting for 73% of the transactions. Volumes were 5% higher than in 2009. Rebounding crude prices and better capital availability provided a support to the increase in deal values. Gas prices, a victim of robust supply position at a time in moderate demand, were not as strong, but this dynamic also represented an important driver for transaction activity in many regions. Andy Brogan, Global Oil and Gas Transaction Advisory Services leader for Ernst & Young, says, "As we predicted, 2010 was a healthier year for upstream oil field services and transactions, whereas overcapacity in some regions drove a period of uncertainty and challenges in the downstream sector. There have, however, been diverse regional trends underlying this macro view. 2011 looks set to continue the themes of 2010 against the backdrop of gradually improving capital market conditions." That's all from the world of oil and gas. We'll be back soon with some more. Till then, take care.